Start by heading to the Arcane website. A link will be included in the description. Click Dashboard. Authorize. Select a server. Continue. Adjust permissions, then authorize. Verify that you're human. At the top, you will see an Overview panel. Here you can change your command prefix. The default prefix is the letter A. Change your prefix. This will change the prefix for all Arcane commands. Click Configure in the Custom Commands panel. Press New Command. Give your command a name without the prefix. Enter a response. This is the message that Arcane will respond with. Set the cooldown. This how many seconds must pass before the command can be used again. Create command. You can edit or remove a command using the buttons to the right. However, only the response and cooldown can be changed. Head back to Discord and your custom command should now be working.